Punjabi Bazar in Kotla Madhakpur. In Delhi, fire services quickly dispatched multiple fire tenders to the scene, and the blaze has since been brought under the control. While the exact cause of the fire is still under investigation, authorities are assessing the damage and working to determine its origin. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported so far. This incident comes shortly after a recent fire at the Kotla Seva Nagar market, underscoring ongoing fire safety concerns in the area. Authorities have urged residents and business owners to stay vigilant and strictly follow the fire safety protocols to help prevent such incidents in the future.
आप